Welcome to Product Critique, where today we have an exciting review of what is known as the best folding fan, as seen on TV, the TUNISE portable handheld fan. If you're looking for a compact, versatile, and powerful fan to keep you cool wherever you go, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the features that make this fan stand out from the rest. First, let's talk about its ultra-quiet operation. With a noise level of less than 15 decibels, this fan runs silently, ensuring you can enjoy a breeze without any disturbing noise. It comes with 6 adjustable wind speeds, which you can easily control with a single button. Whether you need a gentle breeze or a more intense wind, this fan has you covered. The TUNISE fan is powered by a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery that offers a long-lasting performance. Depending on the speed setting, it can last anywhere from 4 to 18 hours on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, it only takes 1.5 hours to get it fully powered again. This makes it perfect for daily use, whether you're at home, at the office, or on the go. One of the standout features of this fan is its portability and multiple ways of use. Not only can you hold it in your hand, but it also features a foldable design, allowing you to place it on a flat surface or even wear it around your neck using the included lanyard. This fan is ideal for traveling, as it's compact and easy to carry, saving you space in your bag. In addition to cooling you down, the fan comes with a digital display that shows the current fan speed and the remaining battery life, giving you full control and awareness of its operation. This fan also doubles as a power bank, allowing you to charge your mobile devices in an emergency, making it incredibly versatile. Lastly, whether you're using it for outdoor activities, at the office, or during a hot summer day, this fan ensures you stay cool with its natural wind simulation feature. It's an excellent summer companion that you'll want to take everywhere. So, if you're looking for a portable, quiet, and efficient fan that checks all the boxes, the TUNISE portable handheld fan is the perfect choice. Stay cool, stay comfortable, and remember to subscribe for more honest reviews right here on Product Critique.